Hello friends, today we are going to talk about another kind of fear that is called fear of missing out, and the youngsters have a term for it which is called FOMO, FOMO, fear of missing out. This is seen very commonly these days, especially among the social media users. We post something on the social media and then we are absolutely uneasy till the time we don't see people responding to our messages. Secondly, this is also seen in the form of that if you have a WhatsApp group and if someone has posted something over there, we feel it is absolutely essential for us to see it then and there, to reply it so that I am part of the group and I'm not missing out on anything. This fear of missing out is actually real, catching on with a lot of people, especially has increased in this period of lockdown where physical distancing has happened. So being on the social media all the time so that I don't miss out on anything that people are talking about or people are doing is turning into anxiety among people, and this is causing real serious issues. So, friends, here again, it is very important. It's good to be in touch with people and it's good to know what's happening around, good to be a part of a group. But if you are experiencing this kind of anxiety or fear related to being missing out on anything, then please understand that this is going to a level where this is going to create some problem or trouble for you. So, keeping this in mind, it is now very important to understand that why am I doing this? Why am I so uncomfortable about missing out? So perhaps we can relate this with one of the topics that we had taken up earlier, is that fear of people not liking us, fear of people, because we are afraid that if I do not reply immediately, if my answer is not liked by everyone, if I am not up to date with what's happening in the group, people might just remove me or not want to talk to me about it. So again, we are going back to the same thing, is all of this fear of missing out, the FOMO that we call, is also arising from our inferiority complex or our low self-esteem, where we do not trust, we do not believe that people would want to talk to us, that people would like to connect with us, that people would want to include us in whatever is going on. So this fear is also arising out of our own self-esteem. Please understand, it is very important for everything in life to work on our self-esteem. We need to find out ways to love ourselves. We need to find out ways to respect ourselves. We need to find out ways to be happy in our own company, so that we don't feel the fear, the anxiety if someone is not responding to our messages or not involving in our group in their discussions. Because every time, no no one has to like you or rather involve you in everything all the time. Even if it's your boyfriend or girlfriend, please understand they can have another life, they can have another set of friends. Even if your husband or wife, they can have another set of friends, absolutely another set of jokes which you are not aware of, and absolutely another kind of world of discussion also. It is normal, it is absolutely okay. But if you are feeling the fear about it, if you are feeling anxiety about it, then definitely you are suffering from this thing called as FOMO, this new generation word, fear of missing out. And it's an indication that we need to start working on ourselves, start working on knowing ourselves, start working on connecting with ourselves, start working on liking our own company. Liking our own company is the most important factor here, but we need to basically start with knowing, connecting, liking, loving and respecting ourselves.